All right, welcome to this class. This class we are going to be learning how to fix the chest pocket. So as you can see, I cut out these two pieces and I've already gummed them with my paper gum. That's gum stay. So this is it. You just gum it like this. Then this other part too, you still gum it. This is just a kind of lining. So pay close attention to whatever we are doing here now. I'm going to fold in this part with like 0.2, 0.3, or you can even fold it with half an inch. So I'll iron it well. Then I'm going to fold it again to get my pocket height. So this is, I'm going to fold this with 1 inch. 1 inch. So my pocket height is going to be 1 inch. So I'll just iron it well. We are going to be as fast as possible on this, so pay close attention. So I'm going to get the midpoint of this piece, and I'll mark it. For this, I just want to get the center part so that my pocket will be nice. So my pocket length is going to be 4 inches. So I've already marked the 4 inches. Leaving the 2 inches is going to be the half of it. So at this point, I'm going to do this line. This line is not really necessary, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll have to rule the line so that you will be able to see it very well. So just follow me as I'm doing it. You definitely get the right result. All right. I just want to get the midpoint so that to this part so that I will be able to achieve what I want to achieve here. Just take note of this. When you learn it well, you can be able to do it as you want. Sorry. So I'll take note of this part. At this place, the 1 inch ended, so that's why I'm rolling the line. So I will make a notch here. Remember, this is where our 4 inches ended. So I will still turn this side and make a notch, cut it and make a notch. Make a notch just like a triangular notch. Sorry. So I'm going to be folding this in. So I'll just align it, I'll just arrange it well, then fold it in like this. Then I'm going to iron it. So the same thing I'm doing here, I'm still going to do it on this part too. Alright, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe to that YouTube channel, Classy Way Sewing Workshop. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the videos there too. Thank you. God bless you. So after this, we will be going to the sewing machine to do the sewing proper. So just pay close attention. This is what you need to do on the table, then before you go over to the machine. So this one is the one you're going to sew it together with. So welcome to the sewing machine. So let's get down to the sewing. Just pay close attention to what we're doing. So we're going to start with this one. This is our pocket line. Remember how we got the pocket line? So at this point we're going to be sewing. So I want to make, see what my 4 inches, I just want to make a mark there so that it will be visible. Then our pocket, you know, is not always straight, it's going to be a bit slant at this point. So when placing it on that pocket line, you can slant it a bit. Okay, see where you're sewing on this part. Remember that first folding we folded with like half an inch or 0.3. So that is where your stitch will be. And take note that your pocket is going to be a kind of slant, it's not just going to be straight. Then stop at your 4 inches. So that is it for this part. This is how it will be after sewing it. Then I will bring this other part, which I've already gummed with gum stay. So I'll fix it inside to meet the place so it will go inside like this. Now take this pen to mark where I'm going to start, exactly the same place we started on the other part. I'll have to stitch it and lock stitch there. See this part too, I will still mark it. This is where I'm going to stop. So I will stop here and lock stitch it. So that is it for it, as you can see. So we have to open this side. Just fold it this way and make a small opening, then turn the back. So this is how I'm going to cut it. Same thing here. So just do it like that. Stop exactly at that point your stitch is started. Do the same thing this part. And as well, same thing this part. Just be very careful so that you don't go and cut more than where you sew. I'm going to take this one inside. I'll take it inside like this. I'm going to make a stitch here, just to hold that inside part. I'll just make a stitch. I'll stop here. And this one, I'm going to take this one inside. Now this is what we are going to be having here. Okay. So you see at this point, take note so that this point will not be together. Let it be like you open press it. I'm going to make my stitch on this part. after you must have turned this inside, just come at this point, then make your stitch. Reason for this stitch is that so that the pocket will not be coming out. This part will not be coming out, so that is just the reason you make this stitch at this part. So remember this place, that's triangular shape you notch here. This is what we are going to be stitching here now. So this is it. So I'm still going to turn the other side and make and stitch this other part. I'll push it inside. So look at it, it comes out well here. So I'm going to make my stitch there. Alright, this is it. We're almost done with this pocket. As you can see, it's not really that hard. So this is it. I'm going to iron it. I'm going to the table to iron it well. So after that, you see how it looks like. Now we've ironed it. This is how it is. So at this point, you're going to hold it. You need to be very careful at this point. Then you open it and make your stitch. At that particular point, you folded it in. At that particular angle, you folded it. So this is what you have. So I'm going to trim the excess. So the same thing here, I'm going to do the other side. Just hold it well. Hold it firm like this. Then make sure it doesn't shift. Then you can make the stitch here. So this is it. This is what you have. So we're going to cut out the excess too. All right. So the only thing remaining for us now is just to close the pockets. I just cut this one. I'll be using it to join. So I'll add it to this part. So I'll have to stitch it round just to close my pocket. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is how to sew our two side pockets. So pay close attention to this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Classy Wears Sewing Workshop. Just go to YouTube and subscribe to the channel. So this is what we have at this pocket. I'll just need to trim out this place so that it will not be too close to the armhole. All right, so this is it. Iron it well. So this is what we have. Thank you and God bless you.